and welcome back to my channel. The summer is just around the corner and I figured I'd share how I made some summer dresses for my daughter. These are super simple dresses and you really don't need a pattern for them. I outlined one of my daughter's shirts just to get an idea of the armholes and the neck. And then I extended that neckline wider so that way I can add some elastic to that neckline so there will be no closures on it. And then I made it the length that I needed. And the way I make this dress would work as an adult size as well. I go ahead and create a front piece, solid piece on the fold, and a back solid piece on the fold. And then I go ahead and make up 2 sleeves. With all my pieces cut out, I go ahead and attach the front and the back by the shoulders. I do serge all the edges so I don't have to add a rolled hem or a lining to this. And with the neckline, I go ahead and fold it down the width of my elastic. And then I stitch along that, creating a channel for the elastic. For my elastic, I used a 1/4 inch elastic and I measured out where it sits comfortably around the neck. And then I use my safety pin and I weave it through that channel. And this will gather that neckline. And once I get it all the way through, I go ahead and stitch those 2 pieces together so it's one solid circle. And then I close off the opening to that channel. For the sleeves, I go ahead and attach them to the armhole. And note, I have not stitched up the side seams yet. With the sleeves attached now, I go ahead and sew up the side seams. I align up where the seams for the armholes are on the bottom, and then I stitch from the end of the armhole all the way down to the bottom of the side seam. After the side seams are done, I go ahead and put it on my daughter, and I take it in where it needs to be because I did make it bigger originally. And then I go ahead and treat the armholes the same way I did the neckline by serging the edges and then folding it over on itself to create a channel for elastic. And then I weave elastic in those channels. And sew those 2 ends together just like I did the one on the neckline. To finish off the hem, I go ahead and serge the edge and then attach some lace to that edge. And then I go ahead and fold it down and top stitch that down. And to make it a little bit more frilly, I go ahead and take some lace, add it to the armholes and the neckline. And last minute decision, I go ahead and make a bow out of some ribbon and add it to the middle of the neckline. And here is the finished dress. This dress came out really cute and it only took me a couple hours to make. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I will see you next week. Bye!